please lang. Huwag kang masyado magdidikit sa babae at baka mapikot ka. Dahil sa totoo lang, ikaw ang pinakamagandang lalaki sa balat ng lupa. Hayop ka talaga! Ang ganda mong lalaki! Nangaling ko sa mga kasalanan ko, sa mga kasinungalingan ko, nagbibiro lang naman ako eh.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ha?
To be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless you.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka!
Have a great day.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. And may you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Guys, ano mas masaya sa birthday mo?
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you. No, nice. Never mind. See you soon.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lonnie Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, and I hope you have an all awesome time over there, wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Enjoy mo yan. Happy birthday. God bless.
Pumunta nanay ko doon na nag-request na sa'yo ng hotdog. Tapos sabi nanay ko, hotdog, ang binili mo potlog. Tapos nagreklamo nanay ko, nagalit ka. Sabi mo, arte-arte ng nanay ko.
Ba't kasi putlog minili mo hindi ano? Hindi, sir, kasi sinusubukan po ako ng mama niya. Parang ginagawa po akong tanga.
Oo, kasi parang tanga ka na talaga noon. Hotdog, potlong binili mo. Tanga.